Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up if you find this guide helpful. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you deep dive mechanical troubleshooting videos every week. Today, we are tackling two of the most alarming noises an engine can make: rod knock and lifter tick. Hearing an unexpected metallic clicking or thumping sound coming from under your hood can instantly send a wave of panic through any driver. However, while these two noises are frequently confused with one another, their root causes, severity, and repair costs could not be more different. One is often a manageable fix related to your engine's valve train, while the other is a catastrophic warning sign that your engine is on the verge of total failure. In this video, we are going to break down the mechanics behind both sounds, how to tell them apart by pitch and location, and a quick diagnostic test you can perform in your driveway to know exactly what you are dealing with. Let's start with the less catastrophic of the two, lifter tick. Modern engines use hydraulic valve lifters or lash adjusters to open and close the intake and exhaust valves smoothly. These small components rely on pressurized engine oil to maintain constant contact between the camshaft and the valves, automatically eliminating any unwanted clearance or slop. Over time, factors like dirty engine oil, extended oil drain intervals, low oil pressure, or worn internal check valves can cause a lifter to lose its hydraulic pressure. When a lifter bleeds down, a tiny gap forms between the lifter and the rocker arm or camshaft lobe. As the engine runs, the camshaft repeatedly strikes this gap, producing a distinct, high-pitched metallic clicking or ticking sound that resembles a fast-paced sewing machine. Because the engine's valve train rotates at half the speed of the crankshaft, a lifter tick cycles at half engine RPM. Furthermore, lifter tick is typically most noticeable at the top of the engine under the valve covers. It is especially common during cold starts when oil hasn't fully circulated, and it often quiets down or completely disappears once the engine reaches operating temperature and oil pressure stabilizes. On the opposite end of the spectrum is rod knock, which is essentially the ultimate warning sign for an internal combustion engine. Deep inside the bottom end of your engine, connecting rods join the pistons to the crankshaft journals. To prevent metal-to-metal contact at thousands of revolutions per minute, precision-engineered rod bearings sit between the rod cap and the crank, cushioned by a thin film of pressurized engine oil. If the engine experiences oil starvation, extreme overheating, low oil pressure, or simply high mileage wear, this protective oil layer breaks down and the bearing wears away or spins out of position. This creates excessive physical play between the connecting rod and the crankshaft journal. Every time the spark plug fires inside that cylinder, the immense force of combustion violently slams the piston and connecting rod downward against the loose crankshaft. This produces a heavy, deep, metallic thumping or knocking sound that comes from deep within the engine block. Unlike lifter tick, rod knock operates at full crankshaft speed, meaning it taps at full engine RPM. It gets significantly louder and faster as you rev the engine, and it will not go away when the motor warms up. Distinguishing between these two noises comes down to three key characteristics: tone, location, and behavior under load. In terms of tone, lifter tick is a light, sharp, chatter-like click that originates near the top of the cylinder head. Rod knock is a deep, heavy, metallic hammer-like thump that reverberates from the lower engine block near the oil pan. Using a mechanic's stethoscope, or even the handle of a long screwdriver held against your ear, you can touch different parts of the engine to pinpoint the source. If the noise is loudest on the top valve cover, it is likely a lifter. If it resonates loudly from the bottom of the oil pan, you are dealing with a rod bearing issue. Additionally, pay close attention to how the sound reacts under load. When you put the car in gear and accelerate up a hill, a rod knock will become dramatically more pronounced and harsh due to the added mechanical stress on the rotating assembly. A lifter tick, by contrast, may speed up with RPM, but its overall volume and tone remain relatively consistent regardless of engine load. If you want to perform a quick, definitive DIY diagnostic test, you can try the ignition cutout test. With the engine idling, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from one ignition coil or spark plug wire at a time using insulated tools. When you disconnect the spark from a specific cylinder, you eliminate combustion inside that chamber. If the noise you are hearing is a rod knock on that specific cylinder, Removing the explosion stops the heavy downward force on the connecting rod, causing the knocking sound to drop drastically or vanish completely. Reconnecting the spark plug brings the heavy knock right back. On the other hand, if the noise is a lift or tick, cutting the ignition will have zero effect on the sound, because the valve train continues to rotate mechanically regardless of whether spark is present.